Websites as storefronts. Can websites be used as storefronts? A customer walks into the store, browses through products and shelves, picks up items, inspects, considers the prices, chooses a product, and takes it to the cash register to pay. Now, if you want to sell your products online, then your site must be enabled for e-commerce, where you must have the following features. You need to provide plenty of content and product description like sizes, dimensions, colors, and comparisons with other similar products. It must allow the customer to choose a product, get clear pricing and shipping costs on the product, complete the transaction and get an order number, and/or invoice confirmation via email. Allow your customer to choose a shipping method. You must tell the customer if the item is in stock or delivered against an order. Ideally, you should have an email contact or live help if the customer has a question. Most importantly, you must respond immediately. If you want to provide your own live chat and help desk services on your website, specialized software is available for purchase. Be sure your customer service links are large and clearly marked, so your client does not have to dig around to find information. Provide an About Us section or a section about your policies. If you have privacy statements and customer satisfaction policies, your customer will feel better about shopping in your store. You probably want to have customer quotes and references on the storefront page, as well, to let your prospective client know that others are happy with your service. Provide an FAQ with information about your return-back policies, guarantees, shipping prices, and insurance charges if any. If you are so inclined, you can offer a print catalog if the customer prefers to order one from your storefront and shop in the privacy of their homes. Do not annoy your customers by presenting products that are marked sold or pages that say under construction or coming soon. Do add new content frequently, so your returning customers will not be bored by seeing the same products they saw 4 months ago. If your site has got a date tag or has current references, be careful to change these references frequently so you don't give the perception that nobody is attending or reading your site. We hope these helpful reminders help you in building your next online storefront. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.